Hi guys, today we're going to buy books from Tesco.
Yeah, see what we can get. What bargain they got? Any offers? Ooh. Which one do you want? Messed it up, Liza. Well, 7 o'clock timing. And come back tomorrow. Get a leaflet. You can choose what you want. Free what? Or the leaflet's free. Glow. You want what? Do you want? Glow. And £5 for what?
Oh, can you get that as well?
Sparklers, yeah.
I can get that.
And boxes. Have they got any boxes?
Get that as well. And that.
Look, look, there's the full list.
That is the full list. This is the full
You get a box for £7.
No, it is the full
Oh, low noise. Midnight Sky. Northern Lights.
Why did that have the cross on it?
2 for £10.
That's a cross on it.
2 for 35. We'll come back tomorrow. Too late.
We're getting all of them done.
8 o'clock on Saturday though.
8 o'clock.
Right, bring a leaflet then. It's your fault, Liza. Come back tomorrow.